Hey, I'm Stephanie Forian, and it's Tech Talk time.
Tech talk, tech talk,
Time to talk tech. Welcome to the very first video in this series in which I will be talking about the techniques and technology I use to do what I do. For those of you who don't know me, I work as a singer-songwriter. I've been working as a musician in a lot of different settings, in a lot of different contexts for several years. And so I'll be using that real-life experience to answer people's questions about the creative process. The inspiration for this series actually came from people asking me questions at concerts and also on social media. And so I just thought this would be a nice platform to go more in depth with my answers. So these videos will focus on the entire creative process, everything from finding inspiration to songwriting and recording to going on tour and performing, all of the different aspects of that. I am very interested in the technical aspects as well. For example, audio engineering, live sound, production, those sorts of things are really interesting to me. However, I believe that those are an art in and of themselves, and I just don't have the resources available right now to really delve into that as much as I would like. So what I've had to do is make a compromise. In order to do my job, I've had to learn the basics of things like, how to record my vocals. However, I would never in a million years call myself an audio engineer. So if you are here looking for a DIY shotgun approach to recording in a way that is professional enough that you can actually get paid to do it, then this is okay. However, if you're looking for the ultimate gems in audio engineering wisdom, there are thousands of other resources that would be better for you. I could think of two right off the top of my head. One channel is Produce Like a Pro with Huart. He has a very good way of explaining technical things in an understandable way. Another person with a great channel is Beato. He's got a great series on his channel called What Makes This Song Great, in which he picks apart the production behind hit songs to kind of try to figure out what makes them so magical. I'll make sure to link both of those in the description box so that you can check them out if you feel like it. The format of these videos is going to be relatively open, so it's going to range from tutorials and reviews to challenges and inspiration. Basically anything I think that could potentially be helpful to people who are trying to, master the nuts and bolts of creativity. So if you are also an artist and you are inspired to share things that have worked for you, feel free to share those things in the comments. Also, if you have any questions about the creative process or things that you'd like to see discussed here, feel free to let me know. And just like that, Tech Talk time is over. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope I'll see you soon. Bing!